why this is here.
Okay.
Next.
Apex. Base.
I can't ask you for that on the test. How am I going to ask you
Right.
for that on the test?
Okay, good.
I told you.
The right and left atrium.
All right, so we could see it either from outside, but not likely, because the oracles are in the way. So if I wanted you to name the vessel, I would put a sticker here, 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 or here. I say, name the vessel. So you'd have to tell me this or this is the right atrium, this or this is the left atrium. How would you know? Well, you know where the vena cava go in is the right side, and where the pulmonaries go in and out is the left side. So the other way that you could tell right from left is that the left side has much thicker wall than the right side.
Also the oracle too on the left side.
Well, there are oracles
Right, but
on both
like
sides,
you can see
really.
it here, and it's kind of different on that side.
Yeah, but it's here. Yeah.
Right,
All right.
but from the inside portion.
Okay.
Interatrial septum.
Between the atria. So, you know, over here there's kind of two of them. So I can't ask you for it. This is because they have to show the aorta. So if I wanted that, I would have to point at this. I could also point at this and ask you what this is. You should know that this is the what.
Is it one of these?
Well, which one?
on the
The
outside.
right.
Yes, correct. It's the right coronary
Coronary.
artery.
Yeah.
Right coronary. Interventricular septum.
Between the ventricles. I can ask for it here or here.
Okay.
The pericardium.
It would be this brown stuff.
The right and left auricle. The coronary sinus.
And the opening of the coronary sinus is right here.
That's the
Right
orifice,
atrium.
right?
The oracle.
Yeah, orifice or opening, either is acceptable.
Okay. The superior vena cava and the inferior. Okay. The azygos, that's in the other.
On the other model.
The right and left pulmonary veins.
Okay. The veins are going to be coming back with oxygenated blood, so we can expect them to be red. Okay. So here and here. Now, which is right and which is left? So this is the left side. So these are the left, and these are the right pulmonary veins, and they empty in over here and
That
over
makes
here.
sense.
Yeah.
The atrioventricular valve.
The AV valve, you have to say right or left.
The right
Okay.
AV valve.
So the right AV valve is on the right side of the heart. It's the floor of the atrium or the roof of the ventricle. And the left one is here.
And the left AV valve.
There.
There. Pulmonary trunk.
Pulmonary trunk is best seen right here.
Okay. And it becomes the pulmonary, right and left pulmonary artery.
Okay. So here it goes to the left side, and here they go to the right side.
Aorta, ascending.
Ascending aorta,
The aortic arch.
aortic arch,
Descending aorta.
descending aorta.
Pulmonary semilunar valve.
Pulmonary semilunar valve. 3 little half moons, semilunar.
And the aortic semilunar valve.
3 little half moons at the base of the aorta.
The brachiocephalic artery.
That's the first branch off the aortic arch.
The common carotid artery. And the subclavian artery. The right and left coronary arteries.
Right, left, right.
Subclavian artery. So that would come off the brachiocephalic.
Well, This is a subclavian artery on the left side.
Okay,
The right one would be coming off this. You can't see that on this model.
okay. The pectinate muscle.
Okay. Anything that you see in the wall of the atria is called a pectinate muscle.
So atrium only, right?
Atrium only.
Coronary sinus and orifice.
Ouch. Coronary sinus and its orifice. Didn't we do that before?
Yeah.
The sinus was
I'm just
separate
reading
from
in
the
order.
orifice.
Okay.
Oh, okay. The trabeculi carni.
Trabeculae carnii is comparable to the pectinates up here. They're the same things, but they're more obvious structures down in the internal wall of the ventricles.
Papillary muscle.
These finger-like projections,
Chordae tendini.
tendinae, these tendinous cords,
Fossa ovalis.
either from this side or from this side.
Arterial ligament. SA node.
Can we write that on the test essay note, or do you want it written out?
Well, I'll tell you.
You'll tell us, okay.
Sinoatrial node.
The SA node is shown in the model here. It's really inside the wall, but they show it out here.
Atrioventricular node. Prenodal fiber.
Yeah, there's another name for it. I forget what it's called in your textbook. They don't call it prenodal, they call it something else. But anyway, what it does is it slows down the wave of depolarization so that the atria have time to finish contracting before it kicks the AV node into action.
Okay. The bundle of his.
Right here.
The right and left bundle branches. The Purkinje fibers. The circumflex artery.
What number do I give that one?
Circumflex number 50?
Right here.
Oh, no, you said circumflex.
Okay, so
Right
it's
here.
50.
Yes.
Right there.
And the great cardiac vein.
It's number 37. isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's not numbered on there, but that's.
Well, here,
Yeah.
there's a 37 here.
Oh, there
So
it
it's
is.
this.
Some hearts don't have it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one didn't have it.
Well, just remember
That's
that
it? It's the big huge
circumflex
one.
and